Today we're going to be showing you how to use my planner. The first thing we have to do is choose a recipe and then save it to the cookbook. Your next step is to scroll up and click on the planner. As you can see, I already have some recipes planned for the next few days. So, I'm trying to plan a meal for breakfast. Now we're going to add the saved recipe. Remember the sweet chai quinoa bowl we saved at the start? Yes, this one. Now we submit it to add it to breakfast. You can also delete recipes or add more than one recipe per day. As shown on the screen, I'm going to add a Greek salad so I can have it with my soup for lunch. Now, if you go to Mealz and click on Meal Plans, you can repeat this process and add more recipes. In this case, we have chosen a ready-made meal plan by Professional Nutritionist. Don't forget to save the recipe or meal plan in order to plan it. As shown on the screen, I also have a few recipes planned for the next week, so I'm going to schedule this meal plan for the upper week. With one button, you can add the whole meal plan. Rejuvenate with raw food 21 recipes. It should come up on your screen. You can edit your meal plans, which allows you to delete and add as you please. Now I'm going to schedule another meal plan I created myself. You can view all your recipes on a day-to-day basis. Thank you for watching this tutorial.